Yeah, good morning, YouTubers. You can see I'm doing some goated. I'm gonna do some goated Saturday, but I'm doing it up from today. This is the way I season it: garlic, ginger, pepper, scotchy thyme, and I put a lot of my seasonings in there. You can see I put Maggi, but I put my Jamaican season inside there. To the bone, slap your mama. To the bone, ginger powder, everything, and a piece of ginger too. This is the way I do my goated, and I would like you to like, share, subscribe to the channel. A lot of tripe, the mom, you know, you put those in the soup, a lot of it inside there, right? So this is the way I do it. Lots of pepper and everything.